Hello everyone. Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all good. So again हम न्यू एक lecture ready करेंगे. That is the last lecture of this chapter. That is chapter number 4 CC part, right? So fourth lecture of fourth chapter. Okay? So we are going to start fourth number lecture and mostly today's lecture is the last lecture of this chapter, and then we'll start a new chapter from the SP part. So, come to the chapter number 4th. Yes, page number 57. Come to the page number 57. Letter number 6, example letters. We have done total 5 example letters regarding the inquiry about the various insurance policy, life insurance policy, then mode of payment of premium, then inquiry about the additional benefits on insurance policy, etc. Right? So now we have only two letters in this chapter left. That is a letter for buying mediclaim policy, and last one is letter of claim against the fire insurance policy. See, first five letters totally related to the life insurance policy. Now 6 and 7 are little bit different from that. So we'll start. Chalo. Yeah. On behalf of Shri Sarbatji Singh Sodhi, write a letter to United India Insurance Company, Bhavnagar, for buying a mediclaim policy. Will have write a letter on behalf of Shri Sarabjit Singh Sodhi. That is individual. So same address and all. Right hand side name, address, one line skip and then date. यहाँ पे one line skip and then date. Again one line skip and then receiver's address. And here it is phone number. You can write any number in phone number and pin code number. Letter write to United India Insurance Company, and letter regarding the buying a mediclaim policy, not a life insurance policy. It is health insurance, mediclaim, whatever you say. Okay? Yes. Then subject and dear sir or ma'am. First para, introductory paragraph. Because शरबजीत सिंह सोढे के पास कोई पहले से पॉलिसी नहीं है, सो डोंट नीड टू गिव अ रेफरेंस नंबर. You just started with the introductory paragraph. I wish to purchase a mediclaim policy offered by your company. It is very difficult to shoulder family responsibilities amidst the busy life full of mental stress. It has become imperative to have the safety shield of the insurance to meet the expense of medical treatment and drugs. First, I read and then I'll explain. I own a garage in the city and run an independent business of vehicle repair for the last 5 years. I am a 40 years old married man and enjoy good health. I request you to supply information regarding various mediclaim policies that may suit me. I am inclined to select a suitable policy and go through the necessary procedure of buying it. I also request you to arrange for the prompt follow up work for the policy I select. Thank you, and then ending. Yours truly, sincerely, whatever you like, you can write it. So, as usual, there are three paragraphs in the letter. First paragraph, introductory part, and reason आपको mention करना है. For what reason you want to purchase the insurance, right? So I want to, or I wish to purchase mediclaim policy. First उन्होंने बताया. Then he said कि it is very difficult for that because जो सिंगल मैन होता है, सिंगल अर्निंग पर्सन होता है फैमिली में, तो पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो उनके ऊपर होती है. Total responsibility of the family on him shoulder. So his life is very busy and full of mental stress. So it's require safety for him. So for that वो मेडिक्लेम पॉलिसी परचेज करना चाहता है. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ, योर विश एंड योर इंट्रोडक्शन. एंड देन आई ऑन अ गैरेज योर फैमिली बैकग्राउंड एंड योर बिजनेस डिटेल्स. कि भी उनके वो उनका प्रोफेशन है कि या ऑक्यूपेशन है, क्या है उनका काम, क्या है, यू शुड मैंशन हियर. सो आई ऑन अ गैरेज इन सिटी एंड रन इंडिपेंडेंटली बिजनेस ऑफ व्हीकल लास्ट 5 years उनका अच्छा खासा बिजनेस है, गैरेज है, और 40 years के वो खुद है, मैरिड मैन है और गुड हेल्थ है. बिकॉज मेडिक्लेम में गुड हेल्थ होना अच्छी बात है. बिकॉज अगर आपको पहले से कोई डिजीज़ है तो प्रीमियम अमाउंट इज़ मोर and policy amount is less. But you are healthy man or woman, then it's beneficial for you because it's impact on your premium amount. So if you have good health, then your premium amount less and policy amount is high. And last para, I request you to supply information regarding the various Mediclaim policies that may suit me. So he requests to insurance company about the providing or supplying the informations related to the mediclaim policy and all. And he gave a confirmation about that कि he is inclined to select the perfect or suitable policy to him and go for the necessary procedure. अगर उनको कोई ऐसी पॉलिसी लगी कि जो उनके लिए सूटेबल है, उनको अच्छी लगेगी, तो वो पॉलिसी के एक्सेप्ट करेगा, सिलेक्ट करेगा एंड देन कंटिन्यू विथ दैट पॉलिसी एंड जो भी नेसेसरी प्रोसीजर है वो कंप्लीट करेंगे. एंड आई ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट यू टू अरेंज फॉर द प्रॉम्प्ट फॉलो अप वर्क फॉर द पॉलिसी आई सिलेक्ट. थैंक यू. योर ट्रूली एस सोडी, सरबजीत सी सोडी. वेरी इजी था कि भी मेडिक्लेम लेना था और उनके लिए हमें सिर्फ बोलना था, बस कुछ और नहीं था. देखो यहाँ पे रेफरेंस नंबर भी नहीं है एंड देयर इज़ नो एनक्लोजर. वाई? बिकॉज विद दिस लेटर you don't attach any documents or others detail, right? So there is no need to show enclosures. And main thing is that कि भी you don't have any insurance policy till today. आपके पास आज तक कोई भी पॉलिसी नहीं है. You had never ever purchased that and you go for a purchase policy at the first time. So there is no reference number also. Okay. So we have done this 6th letter. I hope you all clear. कुछ nothing new था नहीं. It's very easy and simple, but the language is very very important. You should write precise without any grammatical mistake. Then only you can achieve good score. So come to the next and the last of. Then we'll done this chapter. Letter of claim against fire insurance policy means you have purchased already that insurance policy and now you want to claim that. See, letter of claim against fire insurance policy, which means You have already bought that policy and now you want to claim against that policy. कुछ आग वगैरह हो गई है प्रीमाइसिस में या रेसिडेंशियल एरिया में, तो आपने जो पॉलिसी ली थी, इंश्योरेंस लिया था, अभी आपको वो क्लेम करना है. तो is there any required reference number or not? Yeah, it's required now. A fire broke out in the residential premises of the Sri Tek Chanmir Chandani. He has got fire insurance policy. Rad is later claiming for the loss as a result of the fire accident. Same individual letter, Tek Chanmir Chandani, address, one line skip, then date, then again one line skip, and then receiver's address and उनकी डेजिग्नेशन, बिकॉज वो मैनेजर होगा तो वो भी हमें लिखना है, नाम हमें नहीं पता होता है. सो वी जस्ट मेंशन द मैनेजर, देन फोन नंबर, देन सब्जेक्ट, रेफरेंस नंबर, फायर इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी नंबर. सी लेटर 2 to 5 में हमने लिखा था जीवन संतोष पॉलिसी, जो भी पॉलिसी का नाम है वो, एंड रेफरेंस नंबर. हियर फायर इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी एंड रेफरेंस नंबर. ओके. Then, dear sir or ma'am, with reference to my above mentioned policy, all my assets, including the building and compound of my residence, have been secured against loss resulting from a fire and natural calamities like lightning, earthquake, or building collapse in the normal case. The detail of loss incurred as a result of the fire in my residential premises as follow. See, first you mention the reference number, and in the first paragraph, यू शुड राइट अबाउट दैट कि भी विथ दिस रेफरेंस नंबर मेरी जो पॉलिसी वगैरह है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट पॉलिसी माई ऑल असेट्स एंड बिल्डिंग and compound of my residential area, everything secured by insurance policy, fired insurance policy. And due to fired, जो भी लॉस हुआ है, इट इज़ मैंशन हियर. सो फर्स्ट वन लोकेशन दिया है कि भी कहाँ पे हुआ है, देन कब हुआ, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्लेस, देन टाइम विथ डेट एंड डे, कंपल्सरी location, then date in time. Just a second. Yes. First of all, location. Then date, day and time. Same. First you write day, then Tuesday, then comma, then date format same to same, then comma, year, then again comma, and time, am or pm also you should mention that. Then information of fire, intimation of fire, a kind of information. So smoke, false smell, Tuesday 26 January 2018, 8:25 a.m. Actually we don't know the exactly time, but in examinations paper you should mention that कि भी 10 मिनट्स का आप टाइम रख दो, तो एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 मिनट्स का गैप रखो कि 5 to 10 मिनट्स के बाद आपको पता चला देयर इज इंटीमेशन. एंड देन you have intimated to the fire stations on 8:30. Then what is the reason for fire? Initially it seems to be short circuit. कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ था, तो कि शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गई थी और उसकी की वजह से फायर हो गई थी. देन डिटेल्स ऑफ लॉस, तो एज पर अटैचमेंट. सी, as per the attachment means now you must disclose the enclosure at the end of the letter. You must. Intimation to police, Tuesday 26 January 2018, 11:55 a.m. means near about 12 o'clock. Then last was a copy of first information report, that is FIR, because आपने police station पे intimation किया है, तो but obvious to have a FIR. So it is also enclosed with this, and I request you take a quick action. Okay. So location, day, date, time, intimation of fire, intimation to fire station, reason for fire, detail of loss, intimation to police, and last one is copy of FIR. You must mention all this information in your answer. Compulsory. अगर आपने ये नहीं लिखा then you won't get full score, because the main part, crux part of this chapter is location, date, time, intimation, require information, all. Okay. So next, thank you and yours truly, and enclosures. See, detail of loss and copy of FIR. You should mention this also. Okay. So here we done this seventh number letter and last one. So here we done the chapter. You have self-study exercise in your textbook. You will do this, and if any query, any question, then you can ask me through the comment or chat box. Okay. And brief MCQ, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो आउट ऑफ दिस सेल्फ स्टडी, कोई अनदर मटेरियल का क्वेश्चन हो, वो भी आप इजीली मुझे पूछ सकते हैं. ओके. एंड इफ पॉसिबल देन आई विल कवर ऑल द आंसर्स इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. कौन सा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आप कमेंट करोगे उनके बाद. ओके. सो आई विल गिव सॉल्यूशन इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. So you have any query, then you can ask me through the comment. Okay. And in today's homework, you should write 4th and 5th. And especially for those students who all are in my school, so on Monday, 99% from the Monday, our school will be start. So ये जो भी homework मैंने दिया है, you should do. Actually, you have to do that. Okay. मैं चेक करने वाली हूँ. कंपल्सरी 5 लेटर है. 3 letters I gave you in homework in last lecture, and remaining 2, 4th and 5th one. Yes, 4th and 5th में आज आपको दे रही हूँ होमवर्क में. Yes. So this 4 letter in total homework of week, and 4th and 5th is today's homework. Okay. So here we done this chapter. I hope you all clear. It's very easy and very simple chapter. Only letters regarding the insurance company, insurance policy, benefits, fire insurance, mediclaim, mode of payment of premium. Right? It's very easy and simple compared to other chapters. So here we done this, and now we are going to start new chapter. Yes, that is chapter number 5th. CC part. Same from the same part, CC, 5th chapter, e-communication. What is e-communication? Electronic communication. Yes, electronic communication. In common parlance, you can say that a communication which is done through electronic channel. It is electronic communication. Right? In common parlance, we can say that electronic communication means a communication which is done through electronic channel, electronic media. It is electronic communication. It is known as electronic communication. You can see here कि मैंने एक जो पिक्चर यहाँ पे रखा है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कोई एक मीडिया थ्रू या अलग अलग मीडिया थ्रू कनेक्ट है और कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट प्लेस एंड थ्रू द डिफरेंट PCs, right? So that is a kind of one example of electronic communication. Conventional communication plays a very important role to exchange information and message and ideas also. So when informations and messages are pertaining to commerce. It's called commercial communication. We have studied this in chapter number 1 in 11th standard. What is commercial communication? The meaning of commercial communication: when any message, any informations transfer to another person or party, and that information or message are pertaining to regarding the commerce, related to the commerce, then it is known as commercial communication. जो कम्युनिकेशन कॉमर्शियल वे के लिए होता है, कॉमर्शियल रीजंस के होता है, दैट इज कॉमर्शियल कम्युनिकेशन. थ्रू द कॉमर्शियल कम्युनिकेशन, कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस, sales and purchase of goods, advertisement, complaints, collections, appreciation of quality of products or service are undertaken. We all know this, right? You can see this all the symbols: Facebook, Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, Insta, everything, right? ये सब क्या है? ये सब ई कम्युनिकेशंस के लिए चैनल है, मीडियम है. द मीडियम ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कम्युनिकेशन, FB, इंस्टा, व्हाट्सएप, टेलीग्राम, यूट्यूब, गूगल, एवरीथिंग, राइट? तो ये सबसे हम क्या, अमेज़ॉन, फ्लिपकार्ट और बहुत सारी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. तो थ्रू दिस ऑल द मीडियम वी purchase some goods or product, we can sell, we can do advertisement for our product, and also we can do complain about the product, and also we can appreciate that product which we have purchased from any other online shopping website, right? So ये मैंने एग्जाम्पल देने के लिए आपको शो कि भाई ये सब ऐसी चीज़ें जो हम डेली रूटीन में यूज़ करते हैं, बट हमने कभी ये वर्ड यूज़ नहीं किया कि भाई ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कम्युनिकेशन है, राइट? Never we had used that word, that is electronic communication. Yeah, we used FB, we used YouTube, we used WhatsApp, Insta, but never ever we used e-communication word. So ये e-communication है बस. Yeah. It is the need of the art to make a radical change in the tradition pattern of the communication, and we find that drastic changes in commercial activities of sales and purchase and in service oriented commercial sectors. In today's life जो हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी की है, तो वहाँ पे ये जो ई कम्युनिकेशन है वह वेरी हेल्पफुल है. इट्स अ ह्यूज एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस ऑल ई कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम. बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज मिल रहा है हमें. हम इजीली सेल कर सकते हैं, हम इजीली परचेज कर सकते हैं एट अ टाइम फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. हमें जो भी परचेस करना है, एनीवेयर, एनी टाइम. देयर इज नो जियोग्राफिकल बाउंड्रीज, राइट? In short, what I want to explain to you, that is what is e-communication. So in short, modern method of information and technology. Modern method of information and technology of communications are known as e-communication, and that commercial activities carried out through the them are called e-commerce. See, जो भी modern methods है for the information or technical communication, it is known as e-communication, and commercial activities which is carried out through them, means through that method, it is known as e-commerce. It's clear now? मैं आपको अंडरलाइन करवाऊंगी ये सब, बट ये सिर्फ मैंने आपको जस्ट क्लियर हो पिक्चर थ्रू तो मैंने ये शो किया था. बट अब हम थोड़ा टेक्स्ट बुक पे जाएंगे और आप लोग अंडरलाइन करोगे. ओके, यस. सो हियर you do underline modern method of information and technology of communication are known as e-commerce communication, but commercial activity which is carried out through that modern method. It is known as e-commerce. मैं अलग अलग कलर से कर रही हूँ, आप देख सकते हो. There is two meaning, e-communication and e-commerce. What is e-communication? So modern method of information and technology. And what is e-commerce? So commercial activity carried out through modern methods of communication, that is e-commerce. It's clear now? Okay. Next, meaning of e-communication and its explanation in detail. So already I explained this. What is e-communication? So E denotes electronics. And communication means communication, that is exchange of ideas, information, messages, right? So communication carried out through the use of electronic media. Communication carried out through the use of electronic media and device is called e-communication. The letter E used in e-communication suggests electronics. In e-communication, information is exchanged through emails, video, teleconferencing, television network, or online service with the help गैजेट्स लाइक द कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप, मोबाइल फ़ोन. देखो ये मैंने अभी आपको पिक्चर में दिखाया था. अगेन आई शो यू. वेट. यस, हियर यू कैन सी द wait, just 1 minute. Yeah. So computer, then network, which is connected to all PCs, right? Then next one, ये. तो ये सब क्या है? ये सब मीडियम्स है, द मेथड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन से. थ्रू दिस ऑल वी कैन एक्सचेंज आवर इंफॉर्मेशंस एंड आइडियाज through email, videos, teleconferencing, television, and here I show you YouTube, FB. तो ये सबसे भी हम इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं easily. But generally in commercial communication, yes, so actually मैं क्या बोल रही थी, या कि भाई in mostly in commercial communication we used email for exchange of information and message. Mostly email is used for commercial communication, right? And laptops, PC, computers, mobile phone, using the internet. See, these all things, PCs, laptop, and it is internet, right? So e-communication has increased on the internal as well as external communication of commercial firms or large business firm like government office, corporation, financial, education, and voluntarily institution have started adopting e-communication rapidly. Yes, we can say, and we realized also that being at everywhere have started adopting the e-communication very speedily, like at government offices, then corporations, then at companies, then partnership firm, voluntary institutions, any educational institution, any financial institution, at everywhere have started e-communications rapidly. So through e-communication, the process of communication has become speedy, widespread, and less expensive. It's a very, very speedy, very less expensive, and main thing is that टाइम सेव होता है, हमारा टाइम कंज्यूम नहीं होता है, एंड रीच्ड ग्लोबल लेवल टू क्रॉस एनी जियोग्राफिकल बाउंड्री, राइट? So I hope you are clear what is e-communication and its explanation and introduction part of this chapter. And I hope now you all understood what is the meaning and need of e-communication. Actually, need of e-communication is very very important, because आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ई-कम्युनिकेशन की ज़रूरत क्यों है. ज़रूरत क्यों उनकी हुई है, उनकी नीड क्या है, रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है। अगर आपको नीड एंड रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं पता है तो आप ई कम्युनिकेशन क्या है वो जानने का सोचोगे भी नहीं। कोई भी टॉपिक हो, नॉट ओनली ई कम्युनिकेशन, कोई भी टॉपिक की हम बात करें, सो फर्स्ट यू वांट टू नीड ऑफ दैट टॉपिक, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ दैट टॉपिक। आप स्टडी कर रहे हो बट वाई any requirement, any need? Yes, ma'am. We want to get good job. We want to do good business in future. We want to do my family business. uh, I want to do, I want to start new business. So for this you have a knowledge, you should have knowledge, right? आप जो भी करना चाहते हो आप कर सकते हो, बट फॉर दैट यू शुड हैव नॉलेज अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड, एंड फॉर दैट यू नीड टू स्टडी। आपको स्टडी करना पड़ेगा, यू नीड टू डू स्टडी, राइट? सो सेम एज ई कम्युनिकेशन अगर आप कर रहे हो तो फर्स्ट आपको उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट पता होनी चाहिए। विदाउट ई कम्युनिकेशन क्या मैं आज आपको पढ़ा सकती थी? नहीं। ये ई कम्युनिकेशन का ही बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है। करंटली वी स्टडीड एट ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म, राइट? सो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ई कम्युनिकेशन। मैं मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशंस, मेरे जो नॉलेज है वो शेयर कर रही हूँ, एंड आप लोग क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो जो भी आपके वो कमेंट थ्रू, तो वो भी एक मैसेज की चैनल ही है ना, राइट? सो नाउ यू ऑल क्लियर व्हाट इज ई कम्युनिकेशन? गुड. So next one, forms of e-communication. That topic is will start from the next lecture. So here we stop and done today's lecture. Okay, and from the next lecture we'll start forms of e-communication. Okay, so here we done. Goodbye everyone. आज होमवर्क में कुछ नहीं है, जस्ट फर्स्ट पेज आपको रीड करना है, जस्ट गो थ्रू होना है, जस्ट प्लेन रीडिंग। से मैंने 3 टाइम जस्ट बोला, फिर भी आप लोग रीड नहीं करोगे, आई नो। जस्ट गो थ्रू होना है, जस्ट प्लेन रीडिंग देना है, बस, नथिंग एल्स। ओके, सो आई होप आप सब करोगे। ओके, फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में। ओके, गुड बाय एवरीवन।